Okay, guys, the objective for today's lesson is I can identify the whole by seeing a part, or by seeing one part, you know how many pieces are in the whole. So, you guys learned with me already that this is called a unit fraction. 1/4 is an example of a unit fraction. So when I see the fraction 1/4, this shows me that there is one of 4 equal parts. I know the whole has 4 equal parts because the 4 is in the denominator spot. Here is another example of a unit fraction. As you can see, that is the fraction 1/6. This shows me that it is one equal part of 6 total equal parts. I know the whole has 6 parts. It might be divided into a rectangle or a square or a circle, but I know that there are 6 equal parts. Are you noticing a pattern here? A unit fraction always has a numerator as 1, and the denominator, the number that's down, shows me how many parts are in the whole. How many pieces are in the whole of this unit fraction? I hope you guessed 12. There are 12 pieces in this fraction. How many pieces are in the whole of this unit fraction? This is the unit fraction 1/8. I hope you said 8. 8 is how many pieces are in this total whole. Okay, please look at the fractional parts to find how many parts make a whole. The figure, this little picture right here, shows 3 of the lengths of a stick. Okay, so here's 1/4, here's 2/4, here's 3/4. Each equal part is 1, right? Here's 1 out of 4 pieces. Here's another 1 out of 4 pieces. And here's another 1 out of 4 pieces. So I know that 3/4 is blank copies of 1/4. So how many copies do I have? I have 1, 2, 3 copies. So I'm going to put a 3 right here because there are 3 pieces or 3 copies of 1/4. Down below, there are blank equal parts that make a whole. I only see 3 pieces, but I also am looking at my denominator, and my denominator is 4. And I know that the denominator is how many total pieces there are, so I need to put 4 because there are 4 parts that make the whole. It says draw another copy of 1/4 to make the whole. Okay, so I'll just draw another little section. Now I have another 1/4. And that equals 4/4. 4 copies of blank make 4/4. 4 copies of blank. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 copies. Oh, I have 4 copies of 1/4. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. So I need to write 1/4 right here. Let's see, 4 copies of 1/4 make 4/4 or blank whole. I hope you know what I'm going to write here. 1 whole. Last one. The denominator of the fraction tells you how many lengths you need to make the whole. Okay, so right here I have 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. This is 4/5 of a diagram. 4/5 is blank lengths of 1/5. So how many do I have? Well, I have 1, 2, 3. I have 4 lengths. So I'm going to put a 4 right here. Draw one more fifth to show the whole. So I need to draw one more fifth to show the whole. And now I think I'll have 5 fifths. Let's see. Blank lengths of 1/5 make 5 fifths. So how many lengths of 1/5 do I need in order to make 5 fifths? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need 5 lengths. 5 lengths of 1/5 makes 5 fifths. Or, I hope you know what I'm going to write, 1 whole. Thank you for watching. And I think you need to finish the rest of your Nearpod.